Don't throw away used plastic bottles. Today, I will teach you an incredible trick to reuse them. After you know this, you will never throw them away again. To start, we will need 2 plastic bottles that are more or less this size. With the help of a knife, we take one of the bottles and cut both ends the way I show you. I would like to know from which country you are watching me so I can send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Sylvia Alvarez from Mexico. Once we have cut both ends, we turn the bottle and reserve the parts that we are not going to use. Now, with the help of a scissor, we are going to make some small cuts from the bottom to the middle, just as I show you. We will cut several times until we make a lot of strips. In the same way, we take the second bottle and do the same process. We cut both ends and make some threads. Next, we take both bottles with threads and place one inside the other as I am showing you. Then we will take the head of the bottle that we had reserved and place it in this way so that the bottles fit well. Now, with the help of an electric welder, we are going to make 2 holes in both ends. We have to do this very carefully so as not to burn ourselves. Once we have made the holes well, we will take a good piece of galvanized wire and insert it into the holes in this way. Then we make a knot, giving it a few turns. The next thing will be to take the stick of a broom and screw it into the mouth of the bottle. Now, with the help of a screwdriver, we will fix the stick of the broom. What we have just done is an ecological broom made from plastic. An incredible idea that you can do to recycle and use the old bottles you have at home. It is ideal for sweeping open spaces such as the patio. If you found this video interesting, make it reach someone who could help you. Thank you.